Hi, everybody. It's Deborah.
And Ellen.
And we talked about how Mom's parents got one of the first cars and how amazing it was when the roads also went in, because she remembers when they didn't have roads and what it was like taking out cross country in a car. And we got to laughing because we kid her that her parents invented seatbelts. So, Mom, you want to tell how that story started out?
It happened so long ago, it's hard to remember that far back. But when we took off in the car, we just bounced around. And our parents wanted us to hang on to the seat,
They tied a rope.
They tied a rope across the back seat.
They piled all the kids into the back. Is it a tailgate thing or into the back? And they tied a rope from one side to the other across the kids.
Yeah, that's right.
And then they said, "Hang on, kids.
Hang on, kids." And we did ford the rivers as we came to them. And Mama was always pleased with Daddy when he would do that. And when she saw um, the people on the cross, she was very impressed. And especially the dark fellow on the white post. And that's still up here and to be viewed by any person who is willing to stop and take time to give homage or homage to all of them, the white ones and the black.
So we're here at the church, and as we've told you before, there's crucifixes. A man put 4 of them up across from the church, and it's real pretty up here. We love to come up here. And so Mom gets sidetracked looking at those, from telling her the story. But it was quite an adventure for their family, because they take out across country in the car, and it'd be a bumpy ride. And our video yesterday, Mom shared that for her, cars and roads were the best invention, the one that impacted her the most. All right, thank y'all for listening. Happy Memorial Day.